Hello and welcome to the Twitcher Life podcast, the show that talks a lot about birds and bird watching. I am the president of Twitcher Life, Arnold. Today, I will tell you about another fascinating group of birds, songbirds. First of all, songbirds, which are also known as passerines, are the most diverse group of birds on the planet. You will find them almost everywhere, from your own backyard and city parks to deep forests and open grasslands. These birds have adaptations that allow them to thrive in these environments. Their most famous feature is their feet. They have a special toe arrangement that allows them to perch or hang onto branches tightly, even while they sleep. This adaptation means 3 toes point forward and 1 point backward, creating a grip that tightens when the bird lands on a branch. Scientists believe this evolved over millions of years to help songbirds rest safely in trees without falling, even during windy nights or when predators are nearby. This feature is one of the main reasons songbirds have become so successful in many habitats worldwide. You might have spotted these birds every single day without realizing just how special they are. Some examples of birds that are songbirds are sparrows, warblers, thrushes, and finches. Songbirds have a huge variety of diets. Some have short, thick, cone-shaped bills for cracking open tough seeds, while others have a thin, pointed bills for picking tiny insects out of bark or off leaves. Their bill shape specifically matches their preferred food sources, making them efficient feeders in their habitats. For example, the goldfinch's bill looks like a tiny nutcracker, while a warbler's slender bill acts more like a pair of tweezers. This diversity in feeding strategies helps reduce competition between species and allows multiple types of songbirds to live together peacefully in the same area. Songbirds have some unique features, not the least of which is their incredible vocal abilities. Unlike other birds that might just squawk or chirp, songbirds have a highly developed vocal organism called a syrinx. This allows them to communicate in complex, beautiful songs. They use these songs for 2 main reasons: to claim their territory or to attract a mate. They are also known for their nest building skills, making nests out of grass, mud, and even spider webs to keep their eggs safe. The syrinx is located where the trachea splits into the lungs, giving songbirds control over pitch, volume, and tone. Male songbirds typically have a more complex songs than females, and some species have hundreds of different song variations. Their nests are equally impressive, with some species spending weeks carefully constructing them. Some iconic songbirds that you might be familiar with are the northern cardinal with its bright red feathers and sharp crest, the American robin, which many see as the first sign of spring, and the barn swallow, known for its long tail and agility as it catches flies while flying. The northern cardinal is loved because both males and females sing, which is unusual among songbirds where only the males sing. American robins are famous for their orange-red breasts and hopping around lawns in search of earthworms. Barn swallows are special too because they can catch insects while having great agility by twisting and turning. These 3 species have adapted well to landscapes changed by humans, which is why so many people encounter them regularly near homes and buildings. Let's take a moment to talk about warblers specifically. Warblers are a family of songbirds that are often called the butterflies of the bird world because they are small, brightly colored, and constantly moving. They are easily recognized by their thin, needle-like bills and energetic behavior. Unlike many other songbirds that stay in one spot, warblers are often seen flitting quickly through the treetops. Many of these tiny birds are long-distance travelers, flying thousands of miles and kilometers during migration. Popular species include the pine warbler, the black and white warbler, and the palm warbler. Bird watchers, including myself, like warblers because identifying them can be quite challenging due to their constant movement and the fact that many species look similar. During spring migration, warbler watching becomes more of a special event for enthusiasts who try to spot as many different species as possible. Some warblers travel from South America all the way up to Canada each year, a journey for such small birds. Here are a couple of interesting facts about songbirds. Many of them learn their songs just like humans learn languages by listening to their fathers and neighbors when they are young. If a young songbird doesn't hear its own species singing, it might never learn to sing the right song. They also have a very high metabolism, which means they have to eat almost constantly during the day to keep up the energy for singing and flying. Some species can eat up half of their body weight in their food daily, searching for meals from day to night. Their hearts beat incredibly fast, sometimes over 1,000 times per minute during flight, which requires a lot of energy. Scientists have discovered that songbirds actually have larger brain regions for learning and producing songs compared to other bird types, similar to how humans have area in their brains to understand languages. This similarity between bird song learning and human language understanding continues to leave researchers in awe when studying birds. Hope you listeners liked the topic today and share with other bird lovers. So, with that, we have reached the end of the podcast. If you want to reach us out, follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The channel name is Twitcher Life. Thank you so much for listening. Peace!